So question one is, are adjustments good for just back pain? And the answer to that is no. It has wide-reaching effects. To put it simply, if you adjust the spine correctly, it has a powerful impact on your autonomic nervous system, which is that portion of your nervous system which controls eye function, heart rate, blood pressure, gastrointestinal function. That's why so many people will come back and say things have improved a little bit. So that's the mechanism by which the adjustments can affect other things other than pain and function.